In this video, we're going to show you how to link Word documents in Obsidian. Microsoft Word documents are widely used for reports, essays, contracts, research papers, and professional documentation. If you regularly work with Word files alongside your notes, linking them in Obsidian can help you keep everything organized in one connected system. Many users rely on Obsidian for managing ideas, projects, and knowledge, while still using Word for formal document creation. Without a proper system, it can become difficult to track where important documents are stored or how they relate to your notes. The good news is that Obsidian allows you to easily link Word documents, making it simple to access external files directly from your notes. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to link Word documents in Obsidian and organize them efficiently. So, let's get started. The first step is to locate your Word document on your computer. Make sure the file is stored in a consistent and well-organized folder structure. Next, move or copy the Word document into your Obsidian vault if you want it fully managed inside your workspace. Alternatively, you can keep it outside the vault and still link to it using a file path. Now, open Obsidian and navigate to the note where you want to add the link. Next, create a link to the Word document using Obsidian's file linking system. If the document is inside your vault, you can simply link to it like any other file. If it is outside your vault, you can use an external file link to point directly to its location on your system. Once the link is created, clicking it will open the Word document in Microsoft Word or your default word processor. Next, consider adding context to your link inside the note. For example, include a short description of what the document contains, its purpose, or its relationship to your project. You can also use tags and properties to categorize Word documents by project, client, subject, or status. As your collection of linked documents grows, maintaining a clear naming convention will make it easier to identify files quickly. Another useful approach is creating an index note that lists all important Word documents in one place. This allows you to quickly navigate between related files and notes. In most situations, this is all you need to do. Now, let's quickly recap what we covered. First, locate and organize your Word document. Second, link the file inside Obsidian using internal or external file paths. And third, add context and structure using notes, tags, and index pages. Remember that linking Word documents is more than just opening files. It's about integrating external work into your knowledge system so everything is connected and easy to manage. Using Obsidian to organize Word documents can improve productivity, reduce confusion, and make your workflow more efficient. This is especially useful for students, professionals, writers, and researchers who regularly work with Microsoft Word. Taking a few minutes to organize and link your documents today can save a significant amount of time in the future. And that's how to link Word documents in Obsidian. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Obsidian. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to help you get the most out of your digital tools. If there's another Obsidian feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.